Okay, hello again lads, back again. It's Friday the 1st of May and this is part 2 of our class, and for this exercise we're going to need our 30-60 degree set square because we're going to draw an isometric of the pharmacy sign as shown here. So the first thing we have to do is to set off and find a point at the bottom of the sheet and draw our horizontal line and then two 30-degree lines. So there's the first for 30-degree lines. That's going to be 160 long. Note that it's light, so it's a construction line at this stage. Vertical line, anybody idea what length that or height that should be? It's 120, total height 120. Another 30-degree line back here on the left hand side, back 20 mils because it's 20 millimeters in plan, and draw that, finish that out. So here's the 30-degree line that's parallel to that, vertical line up, and that's the front in isometric. So vertical line again, a 30-degree line between there and there, or you can measure 120 from that point to that point. We need another 30-degree line back here, and finally that one. So we either have our 30-degree set square to the left or to the right, and that solves that. Now, we have a grid made up of 20 mils, right? But we only start the grid when we come in 10 millimeters. So we have a 10 millimeter border all the way around. So let's start and take a look at that. Right, we know the outline is heavy, so we can actually heavy that in. They no longer need to be construction lines. So I just heavy those in kind of quickly here now. Like that. Now, come down 10. Come up 10. Like construction lines, lads. In 10. In 10 from the right. Now that is for the border. And I can heavy that in. And that gives us our border. Heavy that one, and that one. And again, the beauty of this video, lads, you can just go back on it again and again and again until you get it right. Anyway, let's put in our grid. 20 mils, 20 mils, 20 mils, 20 mils. The last few are 20 and 20. Remember, this is 160. Minus 20 is 140. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I just check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 720 is 140. Now, 20, 20, 20, and 20 here like that, which is nice. And finally, now I have my grid. They are construction lines, lads. Just construction lines, so be aware of that. Now, I can draw in the cross that represents the pharmacy here. You have it like that, which is nice and handy. And we can just go back here at 30 degrees from that point, because this is going to be cut into our sign. Come back from that point, and this point, like that, and heavy those in. I just want to be careful when you do that, but when we color it in, things will stand out. Okay, we need to color it in, and we need to give them a little bit of shading. So, I've shaded that now a little bit differently. So, all of these are green, all of those flat surfaces are blue. So, flat, blue, flat, blue, flat, blue, right green, and right green. And there is our isometric of our pharmacy sign. Okay, lads, best of luck with that, and enjoy your long weekend.